Hello students, welcome to Standard 12th Chemistry by Sujata Miss, Fatima Convent High School. Unit 4, Chemical Kinetics. Molecularity of a reaction. Another property of a reaction is called molecularity, helps in understanding its mechanism. The number of reacting species, atoms, ions or molecules taking part in an elementary reaction which must collide simultaneously in order to bring about a chemical reaction is called molecularity of a reaction. That is the number of molecules involved, you can say, is known as its molecularity. The reaction can be unimolecular when one reacting species is involved. For example, we can take the decomposition of ammonium nitrate. Bimolecular reactions involve simultaneous collision between two species. So here you have two molecules, you can say, or two species. Trimolecular or termolecular reactions involve simultaneously collision between three reacting species. The probability that more than three molecules can collide and react simultaneously is very small. Hence, reactions with molecularity 3 are very rare and slow to proceed. It is therefore evident that complex reactions involving more than three molecules in the stoichiometric equation must take place in more than one step. So here they have shown you a reaction which seems to be of the 10th order but is actually a second order reaction. This shows that a reaction takes place in several steps. Now, which step controls the rate of overall reaction? Now, this they have explained you with an example. For example, if you are there in a relay race, then chances to win the relay race competition by a team depends upon the slowest person in the team. Similarly, the overall rate of reaction is controlled by the slowest step in a reaction called rate determining step. So, if you have more than one steps in a reaction, then the slowest step determines the rate of the reaction. Remember. So what can we conclude from the discussion? Number one, order of a reaction is an experimental quantity. So it can be 0 and even a fraction. But molecularity cannot be 0 or a non-integer. Second one is order is applicable to elementary, that is simple, as well as complex reactions, whereas molecularity is applicable only for elementary reactions. For complex reaction, molecularity has no meaning. For complex reactions, order is given by the slowest step and molecularity of the slowest step is same as the order of the overall reaction. In-text questions 4.3 and 4.4 I suppose are easy and you can do it as homework. If any doubts are there, you can ask in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video and soon come up with the next video.